Welcome to our Badgestack program and your first look at what some of these elements will be. I just wanted to first point out that the homepage will look like this when you get back there the first time. I know you're actually past there now, but here is your returning users bar, and your username and password will go in this spot as you get back to your saved work each entry time. I'm now logged in, and I'm actually going to show you some of these features in a different badge program that I worked in. So these badges won't match what you will work in 8th grade math, but it'll give you the overview of the program. So once you're logged in, you'll begin to see this current group space. And for you, this will only be one choice at this point. It'll say HUMS Therian as your current course in which you are using Badgestacker. As we log in and do some different activities, this active members board will appear, and down further, as you submit badges and things start happening, you will see notices about things that you might need to do some more work on and resubmit, or congratulations about submissions that have been approved for you. Once you are into the home page, you're going to come up here to this badges and click there, and that will bring you to the page where the actual work is stored. You'll see that by default, badges by level is what comes up, and there are 3 levels available: levels 1, 2, and 3. In our 8th grade class, levels 1 and 2 will be required badges. Level 3 will be optional. These drop down arrows here in level 1 will show you various badges that fall in that category. And within each badge, if you click on Show Details, you will see various quests that you may need to complete in order to earn that particular badge. These are checked off because they are completed, and yours will be too as you finish those up. Once I can see the badges, if I click on the badge itself that I want to begin work on, you'll see a longer description here of what the badge is all about and what it will mean when you have finished this work. Associated quests, in this case there's only one. However, many of them will have more than that, and it just lets you know the overall view of what you need to complete in order to earn that badge. If I now click on the associated quest, again, a longer description of what this quest is will appear and what it will mean when you have finished this particular quest within this badge that you see over here. Here's the description of what your quest actually is. This can vary a great deal in length depending on what it is you are going to need to submit. You'll see an explicit direction about what or how your quest should be submitted. So exactly what is it that should go in this submission box right down here. You'll notice that in here I can click and type text, use bold and all of those things that you would in a regular text editor. This feature down here is a nice one. If you're working away and get interrupted or need to come back, you can actually save the draft and come back to it another time. When it's all the way completed, you can submit the quest and I get it automatically. This is actually a different badge that I already completed, so yours might look a little bit different than that, but I wanted to show you this piece, which you'll see on most of the badges that you do here in class. There's a chance for you to discuss with others. So there'll be a question or a statement, some kind of prompt included, and when you click this green discuss button, it will bring you to a place where others have talked about this, and you get a chance to post a reply if you choose. Some of the other badges will be about participating in that kind of discussion, so this is a place where that can happen. Back up at the top of the page now, I'm going to click back on the badges area, and you'll see over here that the kind that we've been talking about have been quest badges. There are also these other badges called reward badges. And when you come here, this is a list of opportunities for you to participate in a little bit different kind of way. These are the things that are a particular kind of one-shot deal, things you can do, or series of events you can take part in, and there are points associated with these. There's no order to doing these, different than the levels in the badge, the other badge part of this. So you could choose phone a friend, and it will give you a description of what this particular reward badge is all about, what it means when you have completed it, and you can nominate someone for this badge. Yes, this can be yourself that you nominate, and it often is, to be honest with you, because you know you have done that thing. In here, same as in the submission box, you would click in the box and insert whatever it was that was asked for, whether it's a description or some kind of information. And then likewise, you can save draft if you want to come back to it, or you can nominate, which is the same as a submission. And again, those will come to me automatically from there. That's about it for the first part of the introduction. You can scroll down to your submission box now and talk about any badging memories that you have and ask any questions you also have at this point. I'm looking forward to this. I think it'll be a great time. I hope you do too.